What's hood? PM gang. Let me turn this AC off for y'all, man. Yes, man. It's a very busy weekend for me. My sister's wedding is Monday. My hair ain't done. She says my hair not done before the wedding. I can't be in it. I'm like, sis, the wedding is Monday. It's about to be Friday tomorrow. You can't kick me out the wedding. She said, try me. So, hair still ain't done. I gotta put this in the works. Get my hair done. 3-day weekend, but I gotta go pick up my suit. 2 packages just came. And I gotta try to squeeze my hair, get my hair done into everything. So, pray for me, y'all. See y'all in a little bit, man. Well, that's one thing done. Men's warehouse. Got my suit. Now I'm finna go to the crib, man. Try to get to this view out for y'all. Wash my hair, all that good shit, man. Let's get it. What's up, everybody, man? Just got in the crib, man. Got 2 boxes on deck. About to go into this dark tunnel. Hold on, let me see. Can I cut the light on real quick, bro? Yeah, just like that. Yeah, man. 2 boxes. Finna try to knock both of these out today, so I can get on the road to go get my hair done tomorrow. So yeah, man, let's get it. What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man, and I am back with another unboxing from you all today. I said for you all today. I'm back with another unboxing, and like I showed y'all, I have 2 boxes today. I'm going to try to knock both of them out the way, so my Friday can be nice and smooth. I already picked up. I thought I was going to have to pick up my suit on Saturday. Don't have to. So that's good. My Friday need to go by smooth. Go to work, come home, shower, change clothes, drive out to go get my hair done. Probably stay out there for the weekend. I don't know. But enough all the talking. Let's get to what y'all came here for. And these, I want to say, is the heat I've been waiting on. And I know ain't nobody seen these in I don't know how many years. Like, these ain't came out in years. Like, years, yeah. Gotta kill the bubble wrap. Now, this is how old this motherfucking shit is. Like, you don't even see this Jordan box no more. Jordan with the face on there. Jordan with the face on there. Y'all don't see this box right here no more. Y'all don't see this box no more. Y'all don't see this box no more. This box right here don't get seen. Alright, I know y'all like, nigga, shut the fuck up and show us the shoes. Okay, I'm sorry, my bad. This is Air Jordan 14 Retro. Light graphite. I don't even know how to pronounce the C word. Black. Of course, y'all know if I pick up any old heat, it's always from StockX. Ooh! No, it didn't come with the Jordan card, though. It came with the card on there with all the Jordan. God damn, bro. That's how old this heat is, bro. Ooh! Bling, blow, burr on the shoes, man. Oh my goodness, these still look so cold. These still. How could you keep these DS for that so long? I don't think these is DS though. Hold up. Nah, they ain't DS. Oh yes, they is. They is. They DS. They DS. Oh, this heat. Let me show y'all that full 360 view all the way around the shoe, man. Y'all ain't seen these. I don't even know like how old these joints is. I just remember seeing them while I was younger, and I was like, man, whatever happened to these? They never retro stuff like this. Especially 14s. You know, 14s is real slept on. But not me. I'm woke, baby. I'm woke and we lit. Oh yeah, baby, we live. Oh my goodness. Damn. Y'all know it's old. Y'all seen that box, man. We gonna start. I don't know why I take that out on these, but we gonna start on the toe box. As you can see, you have that light graphite toe box with that little bitty green Jordan Jumpman. Look, the Jumpman, like the way the stitching is now is way different than how it used to be. As you can see, look at how the stitching is. That's how the Jordans used to be back then. Stitching looked terrible. Look at that buttery suede still. I still can't believe it's not butter suede on these joints, man. Dang. On the side panel of the 14s, that black graphite gray all the way around that buttery suede. You can see the motions. All through the shoe, you can see the motions. This right here was some nice suede. These are kind of like the Ferraris a little bit. Like, of course, you know you got 2 drops of the Ferraris. You had 2 drops. The first drop was like the exclusive one. The suede was like, the suede was way more premium. Then the second drop was the worldwide drop. These right here is like the red Ferraris. They just a gray Ferrari. A graphite smoky gray Ferrari. I don't even know why they didn't put the lime green in here. I'm guessing that's what the Chartreuse. I'm guessing that's what this is, which is basically lime green. Midsole all black. That gray carbon fiber plate right there. You have the lime green Ferrari. I mean, an all black Ferrari symbol, lime green Jumpman graphite circle around the Jumpman and the inside. You go to the back heel as well. Lime green 23, lime green Jumpman symbol. At the top, even this is buttery. Lime green is sock liner. Even a sock liner on this joint is premium. These feel like those linen 14 sock liners. That's exactly how this feel. Yeah, this is real smooth. I still can't believe it's not butter. And for the laces, the lace system, you have a standard Jordan 14 lace system. Even between the laces is buttery. Jordan signal in the lime green. The bars lime green as well. 14 symbol behind the tongue as always. Inside lime green Jumpman. These are so clean, man. Lace tips. They went cheap on lace tips. It's plastic. Wait, hold up. No, it's not. It's not plastic. It just it's real hollow. It's not plastic. Metal lace tips. Jumpman on the lace tips. I don't know if you can see that or not. On the outside. The outsole of the shoe. Predominantly all black on the outside. Except for the 14. The Roman numeral 14 right here. Lime green hits. Gray carbon fiber plate with the black Jumpman. They should have made this lime green as well. This part of like, that's like part of like the carbon fiber almost, it feel like. But it's just a hard, real hard plastic. And even on the, like, as you can see, these right here got some like little sparkling effects going around. The brake lights in the back, lime green as well. Sparkling effect going all the way around. This shoe is buttery, man. Like the shoe You can see going all the way. I'm glad people be sleep on 14s, man. Because these right here definitely would have been way harder, man. And this is my pickup from StockX, of course, old heat. Don't forget, hit that like button if you like the content. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review. Unboxing from StockX, whatever I do. And subscribe to join a Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.